Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach, your coach on the couch, the best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Sekhukhune 1. Great result for Sundowns. It was a good game, a good tactical game from Sekhukhune. They just didn't utilize their chances. Both teams had they had half chances. They just didn't utilize them. Good plan from Sekhukhune. They pressed Sundowns. Sundowns couldn't play in the first 20 or 25 minutes. So I'm going to show you the good pressing that they did and the bad pressing abayenzile, especially late in the first half and in the second half. Remember when Sundowns signed Usaleng, I said that was a big no from the Orlando Pirates. You can't sell a player to your rivals in the middle of the season, Bafit. Think about it. Imagine if mina nawe siyalwa and ngiloke ngiyakushaya or you draw, and then around the 8th round where now you are tired but you don't have energy drinks. I have a lot of energy drinks la econin lam. Then I give you an energy drink. Why would I do that? Angithi manje phela it's 50-50 wena sowukhathele. Mara. Okay, let's go into the game. We're gonna start with how Sundowns was set up. We all know by now with Sundowns they are going to play a 4-2-3-1. Most of the time that's how they start. 4-2-3-1, and then they will change during the game. You'll find Matthews he's playing out wide. He's playing as a half 10. And the three midfielders is the Sundowns. Remember, you have a double pivot of Adams Mukwena, and Alend was playing as a 10. But you'll find them switching. Adams is the one assisting Alend. It confuses the defenders. But Sekhukhune, we're pressing Sundowns very well. Win the ball, aggression, you need to be aggressive. But now, the game plan, Sekhukhune, was to play with crosses. How did they score? They scored via cross. They also had an opportunity in the second half via cross where they could have scored. Even Nangama last minute, it was a cross, a free kick. Yeah, put the ball there, Mfanagiti. Yeah? It's the first minute of the game. Sundowns is sleeping. Look at the space here. Nala. Yeah? Sundowns is sleeping. Put it in. Now, I'm going to show you how Sekhukhune was pressing Sundowns. But at the same time, Sekhukhune winning the ball and not making the right cross. 10. He passes the ball, but he can't see this man. Sekhukhune enzani? Bayaba press. Now, right? Watch how many players there's Sekhukhune la. Watch how many players. That was the game plan. Numbers in the box. 1, 2, 3. Okay, they are not in the box. But look at this guy. Uphakamisa isandla. But the cross enzani? It's a bad cross. Bad cross. In this clip, I'm just going to show you the numbers that Sekhukhune were pressing Sundowns now. This was actually good to see. A team not scared of pressing Sundowns. The ball is gonna go to the keeper. Now watch. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 players as Sekhukhune. Bayenzani going to press. What now? Right? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 players as Sekhukhune. In this picture. Sundowns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 against 7. So what they were saying, sharp, we're gonna leave one player Sundowns free, because normally Sundowns, they don't play a long pass. They don't. What they want to do, bazofuna ukuphuma, right? And then because they don't make the right decision, play the ball here. If you play the ball here, siyakhona ukudlala la, uTebogo can play the ball or can play the ball, but he wants to play it there. Now let's go to his Sundowns. Now, watch uAlende, right? And I want you to not forget this player. Watch uAlende, watch this player. Should have scored there, but let me take it back. The marking on the right hand side, it was bad. It was bad. The zonal marking la, it was bad. But look at uAlende. That's why I like uAlende, Mina, because his movement, he's always moving. But this zonal marking la, totally wrong. But watch uAlende, he moves past a central midfielder. Should have scored or hit a target again. Sorry to disturb you guys. Remember last year I said I'll be doing a player analysis, right? That's only for memberships, people who are members, right? If you are a member, you can request which player do you want me to do a player analysis. Please join, guys. Only 15 rand, or the first level is 15 rand. The startup package is 15 rand. Yes, I know, Bafethu times are tough. We live in a bad economy, right? But it's 15 rand. Please join. Please become a member. Extra content, right? Extra content for members only. I'll be posting exclusive content for our members only. Now, please continue watching. Now let's look at the goal. Don't forget to number 8 Wes Kukune. Already in the game. 2 mistakes. Yebo. Crack a leg. Beautiful goal. Past the net. But here, Bafethu, is Kukune could have avoided the goal. Umunare 3 times. I don't know ukuthi bekakhathele or bekangafuni ukudlala, or I don't know, but he was just making silly mistakes. Clear the ball kahle. Why ungaclear ibola kahle? Why ungaclear ibola kahle? You clear the ball la, this goal is not considered. And then again, who press umuntu oyi-1. Look at how many players here. Press umuntu oyi-1. It's too late. In the beginning of the video, I said Kukune, they pressed very well in the beginning of the game. And then later stages of the first half, they pressed bad. Maybe sebakhathele. 3-man press, 1, 2, 3. Angit, Mara, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 Sundowns players. And Ukrobla, no, I need this guy is blocking there. When I forget about uAlende, now a blocker la. Block this part. He doesn't. He wants to. He wants to be smart. Then he forgets about uAlende, man. But they are out. Then again, Sundowns have a chance. Decision making here. Decision making. Or decision making, or it was just a poor pass. Second half, guys. Second half, both teams made changes. There's a guy that Kukune brought in. He is a left winger. He uses his right foot. That guy is going to be a problem. He's an international player, but that guy is going to be a problem. The more I adjust to football style, he's going to be a problem. So I'm going to show you chances the Sundowns, chances the Kukune. I said Guti, is Kukune pressed very well in the beginning, but second half they were bad. Bad pressing. You can't press like this. You can't. Eh? You can't press. What is this? How many players the Sundowns la? Nina Ningaki. Bafethu. Or maybe send Kate. Pa. Ta. They are out. This first touch, it was bad. It was bad. For me, guys, I always say, pass to someone who is in a better scoring position. Now, maybe as Boozgood, who is in a better scoring position. Now, it's 2. For me, this is 2 against 1. Because Lomut Lose move. Right? I would have passed Umutiba Ipola la. Passed Umutiba Ipola before deciding to shoot. Before deciding to shoot, I would have passed Umutiba Ipola la so he can go. It's either he's going to shoot or he's going to cross. Oh, now you can get the ball back. Even the third goal, Laga Reynas, I don't agree with him taking the shot. If you are going to take a shot, you better score, because I'll pass who is in a better position than you. Another chance here, Sundowns. Siyalwina kamnandi elethu. I don't like this pass yakazwana. Usha is 10, but look at the space here. Why first time pass or you'll trap or you'll pass. Mara manje ubuyele emuva. It as easy. Ubuyele emuva, now we have to start over again. Mara. Pa. Ta. This was actually a nice move. Don't kill the keeper, mfanagiti. Pass the net. We all know, Uguti, in a game of football, if you don't take your chances, you'll end up crying because the other team will score. The other team will score. Now watch. Ipola libuyele emuva. Bayapusha. Angazuzwana no Santos. Bayopressa for in. Now here, look. It's 4 against 3. Okay, sharp. Adams should have done better in this situation. Carry ball mfanagiti. Because Ipola begwe lucky. It's either you pass the keeper, he just made a wrong decision. Made the wrong decision. Cross inside. Now, let's panic manje because we didn't take our chances. Again, let me take it back and watch Umutiba. You must see the danger, you must smell the danger, then you must taste the danger. Look where these two are. Umutiba ugubi. Where are you supposed to be as a left back? Bafethu. Bayamdlula bheka ukuthi ukuphi. They go and score. Second goal is Sundowns. Ipola lesikhukhuni. Unfortunately for bona, beba attacker, but Shompe Uwan Ukekana makes a great tackle here. This was a good tackle. Without this tackle, Sundowns does not score this goal. Or this pass. That Mutiba pass was a great pass. Yes. Da. Inside. Within 2 minutes, within 2 minutes, iPirates imhambisile. He makes an impact. You do not sell your players to your rivals in the middle of the season. You don't do that. Last clip, last goal. This guy is a Pirates loanee. Then you understand. After this thing, now I understand why Bamhambisile boy. Now look at the space here. Look at the space between him and Umuti. Bakoreng across. Our game plan was to score via crosses. Now you get the chance to cross the ball. What do you do when I'm Panagit? Ow, Mara Jehovah. Ow. Now they go and score. Mara Jehovah. And Shebanak. Imagine you cross the ball, who knows what happened? Siakora, but I don't think they're gonna score if we are across the ball. Suga. Great tackle there, ne? But here, for me, pass the ball here. Mina, you pass someone who's in a better scoring position. If you don't pass and you decide to shoot, you better score. You better score because he's in a better position than when. Beauty. And when he scored. He scored. Beautiful goal. Beautiful goal. Beautiful goal. Mina, that's what I would prefer. You pass someone. If you don't pass, hey, you must make sure you know your stuff. Know your stuff. Please subscribe. Please like. Please share. Don't forget to become a member. Thank you for watching.